Hey guys, what's up? It's your girl Sashi E. Welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, you guys, I'm going to be doing this quick and easy rubber band hairstyle using braiding hair on my natural hair. So first things first, let's get started. So I'm taking my brush, you guys, and I'm just brushing out my edges. My hair is freshly washed, you guys. Well, I washed it the night before, put it in some plaits and had it air dried. But yeah, I'm just brushing out my edges right now just so that, it could look a little bit better when I do my ponytail. And now I am getting started with the rubber band section on both sides of my hair. So first things first, I do want to have a diagonal braid going from my sideburns all the way to the crown of my head. So I'm just going to get started with that part. I'm going to add some shine and jam to that section, you guys, and then I'm going to go over it again with my comb just to make sure that part is nice and neat and crisp, you guys.
I'm telling you that there ain't no other way. Pack your bags and then you will go away. I'm not gonna be begging you to stay. Said maybe if you asked me yesterday, I would handle this shit differently. Things are different, I'm a new me. That's not gonna happen. That's not gonna happen. That's not gonna happen. So even if you're asking, even if you're asking, 'cause I do what I do, and it's time for something new, yeah. Gotta know when to let go, gotta know when to let go, gotta know when to let go. Sometimes giving up can make it grow, can make it grow, can make it grow. Don't wanna be stuck in a spot, telling you it ain't what I thought. Don't wanna be stuck in a spot, 'cause I don't really like what I got, so I changed it bit by bit. It's not ungrateful, just being helpful for me and you, 'cause we gotta go our own way, gotta go our own way.
Alright guys, so now that I am done with my braid, I am going to start working on the section where I'm going to be adding the rubber bands. For this entire section, I ended up adding 6 rubber bands in all, and I did crisscross them so that I can get like a really nice crisscross rubber band look, and I feel like it came out really, really cute, you guys. So for each of these boxes that I'm creating to do my crisscross, I did add shine and jam to the base, and then I just added the rubber bands. If you guys are worried about the rubber band snagging your hair, you don't have to make it as tight, and also you can dip the rubber bands in oil before you apply them to each section in your hair.
This was not a good stay, gotta go our own way, 'cause I do what I do, and it's time for something new, yeah. Gotta know when to let go, gotta know when to let go, gotta know when to let go. Sometimes giving up can make it grow, can make it grow, can make it grow. I don't appreciate the chase. Now there's nothing here for me. I gotta go, I'll fly away to a new space. I don't appreciate the chase. Now there's nothing here for me. I gotta go, I'll fly away to a new space. 'Cause gotta know when to let go, gotta know when to let go, gotta know when to let go. Sometimes giving up can make it grow, can make it grow, can make it grow. Sometimes gotta know when to let go, gotta know when to let go.
Alright guys, so now the 2 sides of my hair have been completed, and it is now time for me to work on the ponytail. So I'm going in with Edge Booster, you guys. This isn't my edge control of choice, but it's the only one that I had. I do have a little bit of the Arcani Coil care left, which is my favorite, but I just had enough to do my edges, so I decided to go in with the Edge Booster. But for your ponytail, definitely just use your edge control of choice, whichever one you prefer. So yeah, guys, I'm just slicking my hair down real nice with this edge booster, and then I'm just gonna go in with my brush and I'm just gonna make sure I brush the product through my hair. So now that my ponytail is done, you guys, it is time for me to go in with the braiding hair. So the braiding hair that I'll be using is the X-Pression braiding hair, you guys. I'll be using a bundle and a half to complete this. This is some old hair that I have. I didn't want to waste it. So yeah, a bundle and a half to complete this. And I'm just going to attach it to my hair. And then I am going to start braiding. So I know you guys are looking at my puff like, yo, how are you going to do that? I literally just started braiding. It blended in just fine. I had no problems, no issues or anything. It's kind of like when you're getting box braids. You don't have to flat iron your hair to get box braids, right? So it's the same concept here. I split my hair in 3 and then I just proceed to braid my hair. I did a regular plait all the way down and it came out just fine.
Your heart, keep it in your pocket for safekeeping. Don't ever let nobody be the reason you throw it out, you stop caring about it. Don't let your hair get in the way, can't be defined by your mistakes. You know you try really hard, but sometimes you fall, yeah, sometimes you fall. Say I'm not sensitive, but I can sense if it's right for me. Don't let your hair get in the way.
Alright guys, so now it is time for me to do my edges. So I am going in with the Arcani Coil Care. I am on my last little bit of this and I don't even think they have this in stock right now, you guys. But anyways, this is what I'll be using on my edges. And then I am going to just apply the product all around my edges. And then I'm going to take my edge brush and just try to make my edges kind of dramatic, but not too dramatic. Just enough so that it could look better.
Can't be defined by your mistakes. You know you try really hard, but sometimes you fall. Yeah, sometimes you fall. Sometimes you fall.
Alright guys, so now I'm just going to take a little bit of this setting mousse and I'm just going to apply it to my edges. I find that my edges last a lot longer when I apply the mousse to it. So I'm just going to apply a little bit, y'all. I don't be doing the most with it, and then just a little bit on the rubber band section. And once I'm done applying the little bit of mousse, you guys, I'm just going to go ahead and wrap my hair up with these wraps. So I picked up these cute little jewelry pieces from my local beauty supply store, you guys. So I'm just going to go ahead and I'm going to add it to my ponytail. I have 3 of these, so I'm going to add 3 of them to my ponytail.
Ooh, yeah. Keep it in here and lock it. Keep it in here, don't knock it.
Alright Alright guys, so I just wanted to come and show you all the final results. This is a quick and easy rubber band hairstyle on my natural hair. If you guys are feeling it, please be sure to give me a thumbs up. If you guys have any questions or comments, please be sure to leave those down below. Also, let me know what style you'd like to see me do next. And thank you guys as always for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!